Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Clutch C. Hey, man, today is July 4th, 2025. Hey, happy Independence Day to you. As you can see in the title, Family First. Hey, man, I'm going to go and visit a family member before I get into any 4th of July festivities. Hey, come on, ride with me. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Sliding On Twoz video. Hey, today I'm just hopped on my bike, man. I'm just gonna ride. Just to see what I can see out here. Maybe I'll run into a couple of other bikers, man. Always good to meet your fellow bikers. Close to the nursing home where my brother is, so I'm just gonna stop by and say a quick hello to him and then get back on the road. Hey, how you doing? This is my brother Michael. He's in a nursing home. He's about, how old are you, Mike? 56? He's been in a nursing home for about almost 8 years now, so. Fool, you want some more?
Yeah.
Want more?
Yeah.
Beans and cornbread, boy, it's pretty good. You're almost done. What you want? Ice cream or pudding for dessert? Ice cream? Okay, well, eat all the rest of your food. All right, man, you're almost through. Here we go. Ready? So he has a room, 2 people, family. Yeah, I'm on a motorcycle, man. Show it. Let me see if I can see it out here and I can show it to you. You look out the window. There's a motorcycle right there. It's just a beautiful day to ride, so I just wanted to come and visit you, and glad I got a chance to feed you. So they say they're gonna get you up after dinner. You can go sit in the hallway for a while?
Yeah.
Okay. Say, what's up, YouTube? Okay. How you doing, Mike?
Yeah.
You all right, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, I was just passing by. I just thought I'd stop by and see you. You need something?
Soda water.
What kind of soda water?
Yeah.
You like orange? All right, dude. Good visit, man. I've been up here about an hour now, so I'm gonna get back in the heat and ride. Can you wave and say hello to the people? Okay, wave to them.
Yeah.
Say it again.
Yeah.
Okay. Say what's up, people.
What up?
All right, man. I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
I love you,
Yeah.
and I'll bring you some Coke back.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. All right, just leaving the nursing home now. And I'm gonna head back toward the house unless I see something that'll change my direction. All right, guys, I told you I was getting it ready. There it is. It's almost ready. Hey, you know where I'm at? Come on, get you some. Nice. See the smoke?
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you